So Ross, aka Faux Hammer, runs a 3D printer review YouTube channel. He had a build-up of excess reviewed printers which were taking up valuable space in his house. So he typed in ChatGPT, how can I dispose of these printers and sell them, find someone to sell them for me. Obviously came through to us. So from initial conversations with Ross, it was clear that we could design a solution for his needs. The client's main goals were achieving a good price for these products which he's reviewed, which otherwise he wouldn't have used, but also reclaiming space, valuable space, and obviously the cost incurred from using a self-storage facility.
I've known about John Pye Auctions for quite a few years, but it was only recently that it actually clicked that I'd be able to contact you and get some help with running my small business, because I'm drowning in these things and I can't use online tools and things like that. I needed somebody to essentially do the heavy lifting for me, and your guys have, well, done that and beyond.
Our team were able to process the lots, create descriptions and formulate the listings from a list which was provided by Ross. So that made the process a whole lot easier. And from receiving the products on the Wednesday, we were able to list these products and get them into sale for the following Friday. So within 2 days, the products were received, processed and listed into a standalone auction. So our in-house marketing team created tailored content for the sale and promoting the partnership between us and the Faux Hammer YouTube channel. Ross also created a YouTube video which promoted the process of sending the items into auction. It was great to tap into his viewership and promote the auction that way to potentially get the product in front of the right eyes. So from the initial discovery process, I kept in regular conversation with Ross to make sure the process was running smoothly, to ensure all the auction listings were accurate once they were obviously live on the platform, to ensure everything was shown in the best light possible. And then post-auction, I provided Ross with a detailed breakdown of all items that were sold, the prices that were sold for, and I will now keep him in close contact for obviously payment dates, which will be following soon after.
Absolutely brilliant. I spoke to my account manager, they got straight on the phone with me, we set up a meeting, we actually set out the scope of the project, what we're doing. Everything was taken care of for me. Your guys told me every single step in the journey. I came here, delivered the printers, everybody helped me unload them off the van, and I'm genuinely astounded today with how you've set them up and presented them. Like, I would never have been able to do anything like this. And it's much better seeing these things laid out. Like, it really is just awe-inspiring to understand the scale of what I've covered over the last couple of years and see it here all in one place.
So the auction performed really well. I think everything that we put in place helped to achieve that outcome. Some products achieved up to 50% of retail value, which is a great result for previously reviewed items which aren't brand new boxed product. And the client was really happy. So I'm glad we were able to provide a valuable service so that Ross could focus on the things that he needed to. So I would say to potential content creators which may be sitting on stock like this, we can offer a free consultation and then build a solution from there. So, based on kind of previous data, product types we sell from apparel to tech, homeware, we're well accustomed to deal with pretty much anything that comes our way, really.